so we can break down. So what I want to show you guys here is, as you can see, we have an area of resistance here, right at this red line that I was showing you guys on the 30-minute time frame. You see here on the hourly time frame, we got rejection, 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 more rejection within this area. And then this candle was closing below it, right? We do have our London session high here where we was able to close above, which we already know with the entry model. All we look for is a break and close above our previous session high or low to be able to determine that continuation. What I want to see is us retrace to these areas here, kind of like this London session high area to this 3-hour break of structure area, and then potentially take us up to these highs right here. And then if we sweep these highs, we can definitely potentially see these all-time high levels get back, within the mix. We do see on the 15-minute how we had a lot of rejection at this London session high and then eventually broke above it. Haven't got that retest yet. And then we have EMAs here as well. So we could come back to retest these EMAs that haven't been tapped yet. So I do think that, 50% level will be something pretty well. I'm not opposed to taking it before 9:30 today um only because at 9:30 it could come down before 9:30 and retest this structure point, and then we may see it just open up at 9:30 and go right up. So, to avoid that, I may go low risk when I take the first position, and then if we take another one at 9:30 or readjust, then I'll go with my, a little more moderate risk or anything like that. But as of right now, I'm thinking that we come back into these areas at deepest, the 3-hour break of structure level. And then if I show you guys a 3-hour time frame, we have an EMA here. And then we have our 50% level for that 3-hour candle right here. And if I map it out for you guys and show you real quick, we can see that 50% level is right there where I marked out that 50% level on the 30-minute time frame, just so we understand where everything is. So I want to see it come down. You see this 3-hour break of structure level, all that resistance, and we have our red line there as well. So we're gonna see how we shape up. I may take it before 9:30, like I was saying. So if we end up pulling down, um, then we should be solid. I got the signal loaded up as well, just in case we do go ahead and pull down before 9:30. Like I said, I want to try to get my entry as close to the blue as possible. Um, so we're gonna see. What I don't want to see, right? I want to see this 30-minute candle kind of give us a tap into this London session high and then like a retrace before the market opens. And if market opens, I want to see it just kind of push us up, take us to these areas here after we tap these areas. If we don't tap it and we see a doji candle here, it could signify some reversal. So we may just go very low risk at 9:30. And then if we end up dropping some more, then we'll kind of, rock out with one more position at low risk again, depending on how we shaping up. The news on the day was already sent, but I'm gonna show you guys for today. So as you can see, we got news at 10 a.m. and then we have news at 12:30, and then we have tentative news all day today. So we're gonna see what's happening, man. We got about 7 minutes until we take this. Well, until market opens, we may take this position before, like I said, if we end up tapping into these areas. But we're gonna see how this shapes up. I don't want to, jump the gun too crazy today, but I do think that we end up seeing this come down before 9:30, give us a tap, and then potentially snatch us back up, especially with the EMAs crossing like this after we've been riding a bearish trend, and then now we flipping above it. As you can see, the last time we crossed these EMAs was over here, and we still been riding this bearish wave for a while. So I wouldn't be opposed to seeing this kind of take off today with this EMA cross here. And we got the EMAs approaching on the hourly. After we come down and retest, we should be able to see these EMAs start to cross on the hourly time frame for us to the bullish side of things. So we're gonna be peeled for everything, man. We peeled for that 3-hour 50% level as well. Gotta know I'm mapped out. So now we wait, man. All right. 17 seconds. I might go ahead and take it since we coming down to our London session. High area. Want to see if we can get one more push down. I'm about to look to take it soon though. We get one more push down. Okay, we get some push down on the open. I like it right here. I'm taking it. Taking it, guys. I'm in. Oh, got an automatic flip. Let's see. It's low risk, guys. It's low risk. It's low risk. We're gonna low risk it today because it's very volatile. I wanted to get down at our 50% level and our 3 hour break of structure point, which is pretty well right here. So we got a pretty good entry point with what we're looking for or with what we're trying to do. So now I'm gonna map out my TP1 and 2. Let's see what happens. There's our 50% level on that 3 hour. Very aware that these EMAs could get tapped, right? 15-minute EMA just got tapped. So let's see what happens. The hourly EMA just tapped as well. Getting some drop out of this. Hopefully she don't take us out before coming back. Look like it might have manipulated the highs. Might have manipulated these highs, man. No way she stops us out and does this. We might retag depending on this retrace. I didn't think it was gonna be this deep of a retrace though. Come on. If this candle pulls all the way back, I'm gonna be low key sick. Which it probably should, to be honest. Like the bias should be bullish. But if it's not bullish, we can take one more. That's why I went low risk on the first one because I was aware of this. We did sweep our high and stay above London session high, our previous session high, but we also have this major resistance here that we also have to be aware of. So I might go ahead and retake it though, guys. I'm about to repop. We send a signal out. Like, why does this shit do this thing? All right, so I repopped. It stopped me out. I didn't think it was gonna come all the way down here like this. Like that's a little sick. And plus my 87-point stop was right here anyway, so it stopped me out. Um, but I re-entered, guys. I re-entered. So I'm gonna just put my entry like right here. This is where my entry is at. So I went ahead and re-entered. Even though it's gonna show like this because the candle's so long, but I'm in right here, guys. So we almost to that area. Find out what TP1 is so I can show. So TP1's in the same area. I'm generally in the same entry that I took the first time. Like I said, I did not expect the drawdown to be well, like the retrace down to be so hard. But it's all good. We're still in profit. We was able to come all the way back. I retook it, so I'm in profit about 70 points right now. Headed to this TP1. So TP1 just hit. So everybody go ahead and take some partials. Go ahead. I can go ahead and take some partials now on them buys. But the buys look good. It did come down. It came down to try to scare us for a little second, but we was able to re-enter on the way back up. So now let me map out this 200-point range to show you guys 200 points as well. If you got stopped out, you should have just re-entered when I said I re-entered because now we are blowing, right? So I need everybody to make sure they are locked and loaded because now we're getting up to these areas that we really want to break, right? So we wanted to see this one break as well, things of that nature. So now that we're getting up to these areas, like I said, I didn't expect the draw, like the retrace to be this deep. So we was able to, we got stopped out for low risk, but was able to repop and hit TP1 instantly. Now we're on the way to TP2 with no problem. 150 points in profit. And TP2 is on the way, guys. Don't leave nothing on the table again. So come on, man. Give up that 200 pointer. There we go. So 200 points just got tagged. So as you see, US30. I wasn't able to put where it says TP2 and all that, but we hit TP2. If it'll just update for us. That was 170. That was the first alert. My bad. That was the first alert. The way this is pushing, we might be able to map out a TP3 as well. Don't leave nothing on the table though, guys, man. Can't believe this thing snatched down like that. I wonder if we would have entered down here. I wonder if it would have still stopped though. Been damn close. 87 points stop. Close to the stop. Just hit 200 points. It would have been close to hit and stop even if we would have entered down here. 100 points on the way. Sweep the high of this wick and we sweep this structure point. I want you guys also peep on this 30-minute how we got structure on this left side over here. So, you know what I'm saying? We had a big liquidity grab out this candle as well that went to tap this area and then eventually fell down. So we want to be aware of this area here. If we're able to break and hold above it, then we should see this run up to our 300-point range. But if not, then we may see some rejection come from this area that'll take us back, maybe kind of reversing the market. So being that we up 170 points, I think that everybody should start scaling, down a little bit just to be on the safer side. And go SL at break even for the most part. But I think we see TP2 before it starts to retrace. I think this 15-minute candle should be able to take it up to TP2 for once we sweep. If we sweep the high of this wick like this, you see how we got the high of this wick over here and we have rejection here. So if we're able to sweep this area, we'll see some impulse out of this again. Like, look at that candle. Crazy candle. And that pedo for you. What we do want to see us is hold above this area of major resistance to see Friday. It was holding this area major, even Sunday. When we opened up, fell right from this area. It was leaking very, very hard. So we want to be able to see if we can stay above this today. I really want to see if we can push above here and stay above this black line right here. Get it up for us to All right, TP2 on the way, man. TP2 just got hit. Alrighty. TP2 is slapped around, man. As you can see, that rejection is kicking. So, start taking, like I said, start taking some parcels at these areas. I think she's gonna start blowing some more. See if she blows some more. I'm talking about cue the theme music, man.
Money is like an athlete, hit a superstar sitting in the backseat. I don't know your baby mama, don't ask me. She a pretty girl, but she get nasty. Know how I go, I can't put nothing past them. They gon' do what you want on your cash flow. You get free, let me know we can cash up. Baby, I'll start work like it's ration. Don't even know I ain't bought her a bag. He can't fuck with me, I know why he mad. She can't forgive me, I gave her swag. My moon jet, so I bought her a jag. Big Louis duffel is not for the fashion. Oversized jacket to cover my ratchet. Been out here popping, I'm not just for rap. Never get caught, but I'm making transactions. No, I done been on it for a couple years. Then like a cheaper bottle of souvenirs. Thought I was gonna play with, but I'm serious. I told my circumstances word to America. I spent 900,000 on this bill. Too long as you run a mouth and I can deal with it. You got a little emotion, you can build it up. I'm on another level. I'm be with them. Put all my hopes for a money been fast. He think he bigger than me, I'm laughing. Baby gonna show him the way, made a path. Everything new lead the past in the past. These bitches chillin' when nobody asked. You know the rules where imagine no crash. First I was coolin' and now I'm getting mad. Fuck all the politics, get on your ass. You tryna trap me, you gotta drop fast. We got it now, I don't care what you had. I'm pushing P, I ain't going outside. She could've been on the list, but I passed. I'm doing better, I switched up my habits. I'm on the veteran, no, you can't have me. I'm looking straight, I don't know if you pass me. I'm going cash, yeah. I'm on that piece shit. I'm a player. Don't go to me about it. I don't care. I want a pretty one. Long hair. You make it obvious. Don't stare. I'm on my outfits. On wear. Take care of solitaire. Both hairs. I'll give you half of me. I'm fair. You ever need me? I'm there. Most of them follow. Baby the leader. Black and white rider. I call it deceiver. Talking to trouble like part of my people. Money to run it. You got it and keep it. On a few restaurants, I don't be beefing. I'm really fuck with them. I be speaking. I can go out, but I'm keeping it decent. I turned it all the way up with my piece. I really wanted to fall back, but I'm in that mode now. Dash that, say you don't need me. That's cap, how many years and all that. I'm going plain Jane, all battery. I had to maintain it, made a man of me. I let my chain swing, ain't no jacking me. I work a real one, they should clap for me. Oh, businessman bit on my faculty. Hit a bad bitch on my faculty. Oh, yeah, put it back to the straight money. Got these folks trying to tackle me. Oh, yeah, she know I don't want to come first. Everybody else come back to me. Oh, yeah, I don't gotta raise my voice. None of my hoes talk back to me. Oh, you know that piece shit. I'm a player. Don't go to me about it. I don't care. I want a pretty one. Long hair. You make it obvious. Don't stare. All of my outfits. Long wear. Take care of solitaire. Both hairs. I'll give you half of me. I'm fair. You ever need me? I'm there. Most of them follow. Baby the leader. Black and white rider. I call it deceiver. Talking to trouble like part of my people. Money to run it. You got it and keep it. On a few restaurants. I don't be beefing. I'm really fuck with them. I can be speaking. I can go out, but I'm keeping it decent. I turned it all the way up with my piece.
We are currently up 250 points, guys. We got 50 more points until we hit our TP3, man. 258 points. Let's see if we run all the way up to our TP3 level. We might be able to hold the runner on this one, guys. I can't even lie to you. Ooh, do we got TP3? Oh. Give me one more impulse. You got it, man. 281. You got one more impulse in you. I know you do. I know you want to reverse right here, probably, but give me one more. We got a lot of rejection here, too, guys. Ooh, let TP3 getting slumped. Ooh, you dirty bastard. Did it hit it? There it is. TP3 got hit. 306 points in profit right now, guys. 310. Let's fucking do it. Eee. Shit's barking. Oh my goodness, brother. Ooh, it's barking blood. It's barking blood. Oh, 327. We have 327. Ooh. Damn. Hey man, y'all should be up. No funny. Y'all should be up. Whoa, whoa. I'm talking about uppity, uppity. That TP3. I don't know why they ringing so late today. TP3 slap. 300 plus point kisser. All right, man. We pretty much done. I can't even lie to you. Um, yeah. Snap. Snap, man. That's pretty much it, man. Great session today. Nice and quick. It's 9:47. It's not even 10 o'clock, and we 300 points in profit. I say hold the runner for real, for real. I'm gonna hold the runner personally to see how this kind of maps out for the remainder of the day. But everybody should be in profit, man. I appreciate y'all hopping on this morning, and I'll see y'all in a little bit, probably a little later. I'm gonna have a training probably a little later.